The outdoor LED display is a high-end energy-saving screen and the ideal choice for seeking low power consumption for outdoor advertising. This is safety rope, protect module from falling down. When doing maintenance, it supports both front and rear maintenance. Open this power box, full aluminum module chassis, and power box with heat sink. Adopts high integration hubboard connection and is equipped with the brand Navasta control system to achieve better heat dissipation and waterproof. We have added extra cooling fan and waterproof ceiling ring. Single cabinet size 960 by 960 mm. IP65 protection level. High brightness waterproof. Brightness can reach more than 6500 nits. The display is installed in a high visibility outdoor location, making it an ideal solution for commercial advertising and brand promotion.